All right, good morning, everybody. Happy Monday, Boxing Day. So I hope everyone had a great Christmas time with family and friends. And this is the last week of 2021. Went by really fast. I'm actually sending an email about 2021. I was not expecting today to be a good day, but turned out to be an amazing day. The market hit another all-time high. SPY right now is trading at all-time high. Yay! And Qs are also really strong. So as you see, SPY, S&P 500 at 473, which is the all-time high. Qs are still running, have some room to go to all-time high, but they're really, really strong today. And IWM, as usual, is always lagging. So it's doing some stuff here, IWM. For me, it was a pretty good day. I mean, I traded Tesla for 1 minute opening range breakup and 5 minute opening range breakup, and turned out to be an amazing day for me. And that was pretty much the only trade that I did. So Tesla, for 2 minutes was below the VWAP. Suddenly the volume came in. I went long at 1077 all the way up to 1100. Dropped below the VWAP. I added back and then go back up. And as you see, I'm actually still in there. So I had a really solid day on Tesla. Yeah, that was a really solid day. These ads, when the stock is making a really strong move, this drops below the VWAP. Sometimes is a good buying opportunity. Sometimes it loses the VWAP and goes down. But I took the risk of buying in this around this 1080 as potential support on these moving averages. And as you see, it went up. Thor has a really good buy under this VWAP. So he's done a couple of really good recaps on that. And yeah, that was for me. AMD was a trade that I did trade it at the open, but I missed the move. So I took a 1 minute open range breakup. It did drop. I got a smaller share size fairly. It did drop down. I was close to getting stopped out, but it came back up the VWAP, and as soon as it came up above the break even, I got out and I said, you know what, I had a really good day on Tesla. I don't want to mess around with it. And C is from 148 all the way up to 142. Unfortunately, I couldn't get that. So that was my and that was pretty much my day. So Brian, how was your day?
Oh, good. Very good. I started out with CCL was looking quite weak at the open. I even started my short before the market opened, pre-market, and then shorted some more as it started to break down. Covered a lot of it, but then it reversed. It looked like it was going to break down, did a false breakdown, and just got out of the rest as it started to come back up. I really should have flipped my position on that. Because it was, because when you see those false breakdowns, usually that's a pretty good sign of a reversal. And Nikola was weak, so I took a short on Nikola. And that worked out quite well. Again, it went down to previous day close, which is king of all levels.
Yeah.
That's where it held, but I did cover a lot of it there. And is still in some TNA. Caught the bottom there.
Very nice. Oh yeah, TNA. So IWM was bouncing around here. Brian took this long TNA here, which was really nice. And as you see, yeah, that was a really nice bounce that you got on TNA. So TNA is the leveraged ETF for IWM, which is really good for trading. It's designed for trading. It's really not an investment vehicle. And as you see, it was a really nice bounce.
And I had a losing trade on.
Perfect. I was not expecting today to be like that. I mean, I was expecting this week was going to be a little bit of a slow, which is a slow. I mean, from even people in the chat room are significantly lower. People are trading, are traveling, spending time with family and stuff. So, but that turned out to be a really nice day for volatility still is in the market and hopefully continues that. I'm still in Tesla a little bit. See if you can break the $1,100. So this week we have a couple of presentations, and hopefully Happy New Year, everybody. If you guys are following us in YouTube, thank you so much for all of the likes, subscribe, questions, dislike, and engagements. And hopefully we just go strong next year. I'm actually very hopeful for next year. We're going to have a couple of more addition to our community, the tools that we're building, and we just make it better and better. And thanks for all of your support. Without your support, we really didn't have any motivation to do that. Brian, anything from you?
Yeah, no, that's it. Looking forward to next year. And awesome. Lots of good stuff to come.
Oh, that's excellent. So I'm closing down on Tesla very soon, and my day was pretty good. I had a little bit of SPXL on the other account that I sold as a swing, and yeah, so just I had a pretty solid day. So keeping it green for the week. That was a really good start of the week. Perfect. Have a
Yeah.
good day, guys, and see you soon in the chat room.